When I have extra clay left over, I like to take that clay and create a few extra studs, either as giveaways or possibly for sale when we go to markets. I will just put it in a little basket. So here you see me putting some liquid clay, clear, translucent liquid clay. I'm laying it down. That way, when I cut out my lines, they'll stick better. And I'm using the grid lines from my board to align them. All made out, I'm going to take my small cutters and begin creating my earrings. All cut out, remove the excess clay, leave those on the board, that way you won't mess up the shape of them.